Good morning everyone. This is your science class. Today we will start a new topic, that is the nerves and the spinal cord. Now let's start. First of all students, we should understand what is a nerve. So, a nerve is a bundle of fibers that receives and sends messages between the body and the brain. These are like the messengers. What is the purpose of messengers? To pass the information. Okay. So the nerve is like a messenger which passes the information from the body to the brain and from brain to the body. Now we will understand types of nerves. Now students, there are mainly two types of nerves. First is sensory nerves and number two is motor nerves. Now, number one is sensory nerves. Students, nerves that carry messages to the brain or spinal cord. Such nerves are known as sensory nerves. Okay. Now, the next one is motor nerves. What are motor nerves? Nerves that carry messages from the brain to the organs. Okay. They are opposite to each other. Sensory nerves and motor nerves. I hope it is clear to you. Now I will show you a picture and then we will understand this in much better way. Now students, look carefully in this picture. A person wants to drink water. So its eyes send messages to the brain that I want to drink water. With the help of what kind of nerves? These blue color nerves. So these sensory nerves send messages to the brain. Now the brain will respond to this message that okay, drink the water. Then it will send the messages to the motor nerves to drink the water. So students, in this way we have seen that how sensory and motor nerves work together in our body to send and receive messages. Now I am again repeating the same thing. Sensory nerves take messages from organs to the brain and motor nerves send back the order of brains to the sense organs. Fine, I hope it is clear to you now. Now the next one which we are going to discuss is the spinal cord. What is the spinal cord? Students, the spinal cord is a bunch of nerves running through the spine. What is this? It is the bunch of nerves running through the spine. See the picture carefully. It acts as an assistant to the brain, means it works in the same way like the brain works. Now I'll tell you some of the details related to the spinal cord. We can also say that spinal cord is also known as mini brain because it functions like a brain, means to send the messages and to receive messages from different body organs. So it is also known as mini brain. Now students, sometimes what happen, brain is busy sometimes. Okay, let us consider that brain is busy. So there are some of the actions which require fast response, like if you touch something hot, okay, like if a pin gets inserted into your skin, or there are many examples in our day-to-day life which requires fast actions. So such actions are known as reflex actions. Important thing to note, quick responses controlled by spinal cord are called reflex actions. What happens sometimes students, that the brain is busy. So in those cases, spinal cord look after such cases and it will determine the fast response. And with the help of these fast responses, we act accordingly, our muscles act accordingly. Okay, so in the same way we can say that yes, spinal cord is known as the mini brain. Okay, and it is also right to say that spinal cord is also known as the assistant of the brain, because in the absence of brain or for some of the functions, spinal cord is the only one to responsible for the particular response. I hope this thing is clear to you. This is very important to note down. So you all have to read it again from your book and you can take your doubts with me. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.